What do you think about those, Preston? Do the shoes again, baby? What do you think about those? Do you like them? Y'all turn around so I can see.
Mommy, look the Gaga by me.
Yeah, aren't those pretty?
Yeah, this was mine.
Mm-hmm. You like those, Molly?
No, it's mine.
Well, Molly's got her own box in here.
Molly, wake up. Wake up.
Hold on. Y'all took them out so fast, I didn't get a chance to... Come here, Molly.
Gaga got me these. Yes, it's pink. It says mine.
Molly, look. You like those?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You wanna try them on?
Mine.
Preston, do you like them? He just nods his head. Mm.
This is shiny.
Y'all want to put them on? We got to try them on. So what do y'all tell Gaga?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, look, Preston, look. I think these are another pair. Whoa! Look at those.
Mine, those is bigger.
Yeah, those are your Converse. Yay! Your very first Converse. How awesome is that? Whoa. Something broke.
This is mine. Look at Gaga back to me. I want to try this.
Molly, it's on the wrong foot. And you got to take your socks off for those. Preston, that's the wrong foot. No, you don't have to take your socks off. Only Molly, because she's trying on sandals. Molly and Elise, they're trying on sandals. So now you got to put your sock back on.
I got sandals.
Okay, so y'all already said thank you to Gaga. Look at the camera and say thank you, Gaga.
Thank you, Gaga.
Now look at me, Molly.
Thank you.
No, Molly, look at me, baby.
Thank you, Gaga.
Okay.
Thank you, Gaga. Gaga, thank you. Bye-bye, Gaga.
Say we love you.